this is a little song that I'm calling Happy Sad. It's really not very happy at all. It's mostly just sad. So we'll just call it that. Anyways, because fuck optimism. So this is Happy Sad. Got myself a bottle of wine and I'm ready for a real good time, but I know it won't last all weekend. Shut the drapes when I get home, though the doctor said don't be alarmed. I'm not getting along with my friends. You see, they're happy in the park and I don't want to be a drag. I guess that's why I'm banging up my knees. But it's gonna get dark before I put up my white flag. Oh, what was it that Angie said? If you wanna be alone instead, I don't want you hanging out with me. We are all someone's baby, but my mama disappeared on me, and my daddy wasn't there from the start. I catch my breath in cigarettes and check the beat beneath my chest. They say that you can't break a broken heart. While every piece of meat on me is bruised and meek, as if the only thing I do is age. Well, I'll fill up my glass while I think of a new technique. Or she said it's nice when you're around, but it's simply not convenient now. I don't want you hanging out with me. She said it makes no difference if you sink or swim, 'cause we're all invisible anyway. So hold on to it or let it go into the wind. But you're swimming in that booze, you know. You're swimming in that booze. You're swimming in that booze again.